Hi, in front of me I have Motorola Edge 20 Lite, and I'm gonna show you how to enter the Fastboot mode on this device. First we need to turn off our phone. To do it, press and hold the power button, then tap on the power off option and wait until the phone turns off. After the phone turns off, we need to press and hold the power button and volume down button together. So let's press and hold them. When this menu appears on the screen, you can release both buttons. Now, use the volume down button to scroll down through the menu, find the option called recovery mode, and press the power button to confirm. When this screen appears, we need to press and hold the power button and then press the volume up button to continue. So press and hold power and then press volume up, and we should enter the recovery menu. Here, use the volume down button to scroll down, select the option called enter fastboot, and then press the power button to confirm. As you can see, we entered the fastboot mode. We can move through this menu by using the volume up and volume down buttons, like that. And in this menu we have options like reboot system now, enter recovery, reboot to bootloader, and power off. To exit the fastboot, simply select reboot system now or power off. And if you want to reboot to a recovery menu, you can select recovery or rather enter recovery option. Or if you want to reboot to bootloader, select the reboot to bootloader. And of course, to confirm, you need to press the power button. We simply want to boot into system, so I'm gonna select reboot system now. And after I press the power button, we're gonna restart our phone and boot into system. And that's how you enter the Fastboot mode on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.